Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Steam from automatically updating Skyrim. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can control various aspects of how the application behaves. In the settings window that opens, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls all the download-related behaviors in Steam, including how updates are handled during your gaming sessions. Now scroll down until you find an option that says Allow downloads during gameplay. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. By disabling this, you're preventing Steam from downloading updates while you're actively playing any game, which is the first layer of protection against unwanted interruptions. Next, navigate back to the upper left corner and click on Library. This is where all your installed and available games are displayed. Now I should mention that I don't actually have Skyrim in my Steam account, but I'm going to show you the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Skyrim in my Steam library so you can follow along when you do this on your own account. In the left panel of your library, you would right-click on Skyrim and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a new window with all the specific settings for that game. In this Properties window, look at the left panel again and click on Updates. This section is specifically designed to manage how Steam handles updates for this particular game. Now navigate to Automatic Updates. Below it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Wait until I launch the game. This setting is crucial because it tells Steam not to automatically download and install updates in the background. Instead, it will only check for updates when you actually start the game, giving you control over when updates happen. Finally, navigate to Background Downloads. Below it, click the drop-down menu and select Never Allow Background Downloads. This completely prevents Steam from downloading any updates for Skyrim while you're not actively playing it, ensuring the game stays at its current version until you decide otherwise. And that's it. You've now configured Steam to stop automatically updating Skyrim, giving you full control over when and if you want to update the game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.